Students, once again welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics. Students, in our previous video lecture we have studied about matrices, additions, subtraction and multiplications of matrices. Students, in our today's video lecture we are going to study how to construct matrix. So for that a simple equation will be given and the order of matrix will be given, and you will have to just put the values whatever you want to find out the matrix. Okay students, let us see all these things with the examples. Students, in very first question you can see that you will have to construct a matrix 3 by 3, means the order of the matrix is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means what? There will be 3 rows and 3 columns in that matrix, and the matrix is like a in matrix. The elements are in the form of A, I, J, where I represent what? Row and J represent column, whose elements are given by this equation A, I, J, where I plus j whole square. Okay students, first of all we will see 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, 3 by 3 matrix A. 3 by 3 matrix means students there should be 3 rows and 3 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Students, all these are the elements of this matrix. Means our target is to be what? Find out A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Okay, first of all we will find out A11, right? So here we having the equation A, I, J, where I plus J whole square. Our target is to be what? Find out A11, right? So A11, so 1 plus 1 whole square, right? So here we are getting 2 square is equal to 4. It means the value of A11 is 4. So you can write over here A11 is equal to 4. Similarly students, you can find out A12. A12. So putting the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 2. So writing over here 1 plus 2 whole square, 3 whole square, 9. So the value of A12 is equal to 9. Now the value of A13. A13 means the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 3. So 1 plus 3 whole square, 4 square is equal to 16. So value of A13 is equal to 16. Now we will find out A21. A21, the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So putting in this equation 2 plus 1 whole square, 3 square is equal to 9. The value of A21 is equal to 9. Okay. Now we will find out A22. A22 means the value of I is 2 and the value of j is also 2. So putting over here 2 plus 2 whole square. So 4 square is equal to 16. So value of A22 is equal to 16. Now finding A21, A23 means the value of I is 2 and the value of j is 3. So the value of I, 2 plus 3 whole square 5 square. So A23 is equal to 25. Now A31. So directly you are finding over here 3 plus 1 whole square 4 square is equal to 16. So A31 is equal to 16. A32, right? So 3 plus 2 whole square 5 square is equal to 25. And A33, so 3 plus 3 whole square 6 square is equal to 36, right students? So our matrix is what? A 1 1 1 2 1 3. So writing over here A11, right? So this is what? 4. A12 9. A13 16. A21 9. A22 16. A23 25. A31 16. A32 25 and A33 36. Students, this is our desired result, means desired matrix using this equation Aij I plus j whole square, right? Now moving to the second question, students. Again here we have to construct 3 by 4 matrix. It means, student, there should be 3 rows and 4 columns in that matrix whose elements given by Aij I plus j whole square divided by 2. So 3 by 4 matrix. 3 by 4 matrix, right? So how can you write 3 by 4 matrix? Means 3 rows 4 column. So first of all A1 1, A1 2, A1 3, A1 4, because 4 column is to be here, and A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33 and A34. It means, students, you will have to find out all these elements. Okay, so finding A11 using the equation Aij I plus j whole square divided by 2, right? Now moving to Aij means A11, right? A11, so 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2, right? Means 2 square by 2. So we are getting over here A11 is equal to 2. A12. So putting in this equation, I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 2 whole square means 3 square. 3 square means 9. So 9 by 2. So value of A12 is equal to 9 by 2. A13, the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 3. So 1 plus 3 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 3 whole square 4 square, 16 divided by 2. So you can find out the value of A13 is equal to 8. Now A14, the value of I is 1 and the value of j is 4. So putting in this equation, so 1 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. So 25 by 2. So value of A14 is equal to 25 by 2. Similarly, students, we will find out all these elements. Okay, so finding a to 1, a to 1, right? The value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So 2 plus 1 whole square divide by 2, 2 plus 1 whole square, 3 square. 3 square divided by 2 means 9 by 2. Again a to 2. So 2 plus 2 whole square divide by 2. 2 plus 2 whole square, 4 square, 4 square divided by 2. So 16 by 2. Here we are getting 8. Now a to 3. So 2 plus 3 whole square divided by 2. 5 square means 25 by 2. Right? Similarly a to 4. So 2 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. 36 by 2 is equal to 18. A31. Putting the value of I is 3 and the value of j is 1. So 3 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. Right? So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. A32. So 3 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. There will be 25 by 2. A33. 3 plus 3 whole square divided by 2. 3 plus 3 whole square means 6 square, 36 by 2. The value of A33 is 18. Now A34. 3 plus 4 whole square divided by 2. 3 plus 4 whole square means 7 square. So 49 by 2. Okay students, now writing the elements of A. Now A11 from here. 2. A12. 9 by 2. A13. 8. A14. 25 by 2. A21. 9 by 2. Then A22. 8. A23. 25 by 2. A24. 18. A31. 8. 32. 25 by 2. A33. 18. A34. 49 by 2. So students, this is our desired matrix. Okay, moving to the third questions. Students, in this question you will have to find out the matrix having order 3 by 2. It means there should be 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay, first of all, writing the matrix 3 by 2. 3 by 2 matrix. So what will be 3 by 2 matrix? Means 3 rows. So A11, A12. 3 rows, 2 column, 1 column, 2 column, right? A21, A22, A31 and A32. Students, this is the desired matrix of order 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. So as per the equation Aij, we have to find out 1 by 2 modulus I plus 3j. Suppose this is equation 1. Now finding A11. 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 3. 1 by 2. 1 minus 3 minus 2. So removing the modulus, we are getting 2 by 2 is equal to 1, right? The next element A12. 1 by 2. I is 1, j is 2. So 1 minus 3 into 2. 1 by 2. 1 minus 6, right? So 1 by 2. 1 minus 6 minus 5. Removing the modulus, we are getting 5 by 2. Now we will find out A21. 1 by 2. The value of I is 2 and the value of j is 1. So 2 minus 3 into 1. 1 by 2. Modulus of 2 minus 3. 1 by 2. Modulus of minus 1 means 1 by 2. Next element A22. Right? So 1 by 2. Putting in this equation, the value of I is 2 and the value of j is also 2. So 2 minus 3 into 2. 1 by 2. 2 minus 6. 1 by 2. Minus 4 in the modulus. So 4 by 2. Here we are getting 2. Now we will find out A31. 1 by 2. Value of I is 3 and the value of j is 1. So 3 minus 3 into 1. 1 by 2. 3 minus 3. 1 by 2 modulus 0 is equal to 0. Now the final element is A32. 1 by 2. Putting the value of I is 3 and the value of j is 2 in this equation. So 3 minus 3 into 2. So 1 by 2. 3 minus 6. 1 by 2 minus 3 in the modulus. So we are getting 3 by 2. Right, students? So the final matrix will be what? As per this equation A. So write down all the values of elements A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 and A32. A11 is 1. A12 5 by 2. A22 A21 1 by 2. A22 2. A31 0. A32 3 by 2. Right, students? I hope you have understood this video lecture. For more videos lecture, keep watching the channel Ravi Sirji Mathematics. If you have not subscribed my channel, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Meet you once again. Thank you so much.